Welcome to the semifinals and championship rounds of the Toon Tracks Racing Monster Truck event. This event is sponsored by JLHcrafts.com Racing. For your 3D printed diecast racing accessories, check the description below to see what products you'd like. So this is it. We are now down to 4 trucks, and they must complete the 3-car obstacle to reach the finish line first. So let's get right to it. In the first matchup, we're going to see Roger Dodger going up against Hot Wheels Racing. Remember folks, this is one and done. Whoever wins these matches will move on to the championship round. And Roger Dodger looks like he took it, even though the finish line says it was lane 5. But it looks like once again a car was sent flying through the prong. And we can see here in slow motion that Roger Dodger does indeed take it, and he will move on to the finals. Congratulations to all those that picked Roger Dodger. You are advancing on. And it looked like Fred the Yeti took a flying car right to the noggin. Oh, that had to hurt. And we hope Fred the Yeti is all right. Let's check. Yeah, he's fine. So now we will see who will face Roger Dodger in a championship match. So, match 2 of the semifinals would be the Hulk versus Steer Clear. Who's going to take this match and who's going to face Roger Dodger? We will find out right now as they're off. And the Hulk will take it. He will move on to face Roger Dodger in a championship match. The Hulk jumped out to the early lead, kept it, and he will secure the win as he hits that prong clearly first, even though you see Steer Clear triggers off the finish line, but that was again a flying car that hit the prong. So the championship match is set. And walking into the booth, we have the commissioner, Racing Jason. Who do we got facing off here, Jason?
Roger Dodger versus the Hulk.
This will be a best of 3, so let's get right to it, and we'll see who will walk away with the championship cup. And race 1 is about to begin. And this was super close, but it looks like the Hulk just edged him out, and he will jump off to a 1-0 series lead. And let's look exactly how close this really was as we slow this down. And you can see the Hulk gets his wheel across the finish line first, right before Roger Dodger. And the Hulk will edge out Roger Dodger in race 1. So they will head back to the starting gate. Each truck will switch lanes. And here we go, race 2. The Hulk can put him away right here. Let's see what happens. And the Hulk does just that, and he will walk away with a 2-0 victory. And it looks like we had an accident as a fan is laying in between the tracks. We hope that fan's okay. But looking at the replay, you can see the Hulk will walk away with the championship cup. And let's look what happens. Oh man, that was brutal. And this was one souvenir she was hoping not to take home. A car fender attached to the head. And this appears serious as the doctor's calling for more help. We hope she's alright. But anyway, the Hulk wins the championship 2-0.
Hulk! Smash!
And let's see which of our viewers selected the Hulk to win the championship. So congratulations to Iron Bear, Michael Martello, Drew Steele 69, Kevin Badburn 03, and John Bolt. You have successfully picked the Hulk to win this tournament. So job well done. We hope you enjoyed this tournament. So be sure to hit like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And we will see you all here soon at Toon Tracks Racing. So long, everyone.
Bye-bye.